Hi students, welcome to the class today. Today I am going to discuss another significant result on Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so how the Pythagoras theorem can be useful in solving the geometrical problem. Today I am going to discuss about the obtuse angle triangle. Okay, and how there is the relationship between the three sides of the obtuse angle triangle. How can you find the relationship, exact relationship between the three sides of an obtuse angle triangle using this important vital concept? Okay, let us see. Here, here I am drawing an obtuse angle triangle. Is it clear? Let us. This is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, and what is obtuse angle triangle? A triangle whose one of the angle is an obtuse angle. So this angle must be an obtuse angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. All of you know? Okay. So let us give the name of this triangle. Let this A, B and C. Okay. Understand? So here ABC is the obtuse angle triangle. B angle is an obtuse angle. And AC is the side opposite to the obtuse angle. The side AC is opposite to the obtuse angle B, and BC and AB are the other two sides of the obtuse angle triangle. Okay. So let us see the side CB produced. Let the side CB to be produced. Okay. And from the point A, draw a perpendicular on the side AD perpendicular to produce CP. Okay. So this angle must be 90 degree. D angle A, D, B angle A, D, B angle must be 90 degree. Here one concept new concept that I want to tell you. Remember, so you see the side BD. Are you looking the side BD? BD side, BD part. This is BD part. Are you looking? What is the line side BD? The side BD, the part BD. Is it clear? The part BD is known as projection. Projection of the side AB on the side BC. This is called, so BD part is known as the projection of the side BC on the side of the side AB, of the side AB on the side BC. Okay? Understand? So here we are giving the relationship, we are describing today, we are discussing today the relationship between the three sides of the obtuse angle triangle. One side is AC, okay, and other side is AB, and another side is AB, and another side is BC, and the projection BD. How the three sides, there is the relationship between the AC, the side AC, AB, BC, and the projection BD. Understand? This important statement I am going to discuss now. I am going to explain. Let us listen carefully. It is saying, the statement is that in an obtuse angle triangle, okay, in an obtuse angle triangle, the square of the side opposite to the obtuse angle. What is the side opposite to the obtuse angle? B angle obtuse angle. Opposite side is AC. Okay, and the square of AC side is AC square. What are the other two sides? Other two sides are AB and BC. So in an obtuse angle triangle, the square of the side opposite to the obtuse angle is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So other side is AB, the square of AB is AB square, and another side is BC, and the square of BC is BC square, and the sum of the squares of other two sides plus twice the product of one side. Which side? one side is BC. It on the projection of other side. What is the other side? AB. Projection is what? BD. The projection of other side on the side BC. This statement we are going to prove. How this relationship we can show using the result of Pythagoras theorem. Let us see. Let us write the statement that what the statement in an obtuse angle triangle triangle. Okay, it is saying the square of the side opposite to the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. The square of the side opposite to the obtuse angle, which is S square is equal to the sum of the squares. Sum of the squares of other two sides. Other two sides. Sum of the squares of other two sides. What are the other two sides? Sum of the squares of other two sides. Other two sides, one side is AB, other is BC. Two sides plus. Here I am giving again plus sign. This plus sign. Plus 2 means twice the product. Twice the product of one side. Twice the product of one side and the projection of other side. Projection of other side. What is the other side? AB. What is the projection? BD on the side BC. Okay. Understand? It means we have to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus twice into BC into BD. This statement we have to verify, we have to prove it using the concept and result of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, is it clear? Let me read this statement again. In an obtuse angle triangle, the square of the side opposite to the obtuse angle is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides plus twice the product of one side. And the projection of other side. This is the projection of other side. Okay. So this is the thing we are going to do. Let us write down this one, this statement. Is it clear? Okay. Shall I erase? Okay. Let us prove with this one. Prove. Okay, prove. Okay, student, you see, here you see, AD perpendicular to produce BC. So you are getting ADC is what kind of triangle? ADC is what kind of triangle? ADC is what kind of triangle? ADC. What kind of triangle? ADC. ADC is what kind of triangle? Is a right angle triangle because D angle is 90 degree. As AD is perpendicular to C. So you can use the Pythagoras theorem. So in right triangle, ADC, look at. So AC is the hypotenuse, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So other two sides AD square plus AD square. This is in accordance with the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AD square. Look at here. Acha. CD means what? CD side means what? This whole CD side. There is a point in B Nanai here. You see here. So CD is equal to BD plus BC. BD plus BC. BD plus BC. Yes or no? So in place of CD, CD can written BD plus BC. Is it clear? CD is equal to line segment CD because the point B lies on the line segment CD. So the point B divides the line segment CD. That's why one part is BD, other part is BC. So CD line, total length CD is equal to BD plus BC. Right? So in place of CD, can I write BD plus BC? Yes or no? Whole square. Right? So now AD square, look at here, it is coming the formula of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is that, all of you know, A square plus B square plus 2AB. So here A stands for BD and B stands for BC. So A square means BD square plus B square means BC square plus 2BD into BC. Very simple explanation is that. Okay, so AD square plus BD square plus BC square plus 2BD into BC. Is it correct? So that is known as AC square. Okay. Acha, look at here. Look at here. And this AD square and BD square. Can you make a group? AD square plus BD square. Look at the triangle. Look at the triangle ADB triangle. ADB triangle. Look at the triangle ADB. Triangle ADB. Okay. A, D and B. In the ADB triangle, you know that what? AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Right here, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square as per the Pythagoras theorem. It means AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. So here you can write AC square is equal to AD square plus BD square. This group. You write AB square, yes or no? So AB square plus BC square plus 2 BC into BD. Okay. So this is the statement we are going to prove. We are going to prove. Is it proof like? Understand, very simple explanation using the Pythagoras concept, and this is the desired relationship between among the three sides of the obtuse angle triangle with the projection of one side on the other side. Okay, is it clear? Let me write once clearly. So here we got AC square, AB square plus BC square plus 2 multiplied BC into BD. Is it clear? Is it proved? Is it clear? Is it not proved? So all of you understood? Okay, thank you all of you. I hope you will enjoy this lesson and you will practice this again and again. Okay, and keep on practicing with all the best. Thank you.